Okay, we're off to the countryside. Let's go.
We're stealing some food.
This is called loquat or something, I don't know, but it's quite tasty.
A little bit.
It's a bit tarty and make a really good jam. Not bad. Not bad.
This one not very well. This one very sweet. In the farmer. This one from my husband. So green. This from my uncle. You see? The uncle's love is more than husband, huh?
So this is what we've stolen from the tree in the countryside. I think we'll make some jam. We've got peanuts everywhere. Peanuts, peanuts, peanuts everywhere. Peanuts. This is the Dido peanut. Very nice. It's the only thing they have in this village which they're famous for. That's why it's called Dido. Dido means peanut. So the Dido peanut. Hello, beautiful girl. These are for you.
Thank you.
Happy Easter.
It's not happy, it's a Chingming festival.
What do you do on Chingming festival?
I'll show you later. I don't know how to explain. Thank you for the flower. I'm going to give this flower to my granddad. My granddad bring us up. Oh.
So we're heading up the mountain. What are we going to do up the mountain, Juju?
Told you, don't know how to explain.
We're going to honor the ancestors. We're going to give them flowers. What else are we going to give them?
Normally, people will bring a fire pot or big one. They're moving my granddad's cask because last year the feng shui shifu come here to say it was too low. The position there is too low, and he's unhappy. He got some complaint when he was alive from my grandma, say my grandma always mock at him, and then after he died, he's still unhappy because it's too low here. The water always come to him and there it stop him, so it's making the family unlucky. So they're moving this and then try to get some luck back, try to make people who died and happy and respect for them, and then pray they can bring us some good luck.
My soul might touch the ground. I need someone to hold my mind. I need someone to hold my mind. When the sun comes down and when I feel I've drowned, I need someone to hold how I feel. I can show you, baby, one more time.
Well, that was Chingming Festival. That was very interesting. This is how Chinese honor their ancestors, and it was a very beautiful ceremony.
Another, what's this? 什么？不知道。
Blackberries, let me see. Wow. Look at these orange trees the family planted not long ago. You can just see they're starting to bud. That means next year we'll have some oranges. Very looking forward to that. Such an interesting person. So thanks for watching. That's it. We're heading home now. Try and miss the traffic. Look at this traffic. I know, right? So thanks for viewing my channel. Click below to subscribe and follow. I would appreciate, so we can carry on doing more videos like this of different things in the countryside, different business, everything. I'm going to put more on my channel, you'll see. So watch this space and click that bell. Stay awesome.